lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from, and I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine and happy new year. We are still in the month of celebration, guys, and I hope and I pray so that this month and this year and the year to come bring more favor and grace upon our life, and may your secret prayer be answered in Jesus' name. So first of all, I just want this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. For those of you who have been sharing me out, I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you and grant you all your heart desire. If you are new on this channel, if today is the very first time you view me here on my channel, you haven't subscribed, please consider the subscription subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I do put in a new video, you can easily come and check it out yourself. So first of all, guys, we're just going to be talking about this particular product today. But before we begin this review, I just want to tell you guys some few story. So early 2 months ago, a friend of mine, I know she's watching me right now, so she contacted me through my channel and she was like, please, I don't want to use Nivea. She was just truthful to herself and to me. Please, I don't want to use Nivea. Can you recommend any cream for me that I will use that will make me lighten up easily in within 3 to 4 weeks? I was like, okay, which cream will I prescribe for this amazing soul now? And I contacted my friend in Nigeria. You guys need to see her skin. She's very fair in complexion and she's using this product, MAKARI. And she was like, yeah, you can prescribe it for her, tell her to use the full product. Then I was like, okay. And I asked her, please, do you know MAKARI product is very, very expensive compared to the one I'm using, guys? So do you really want to have this product? And she was like, yeah. And okay, I was like, okay, so let's give it a try then. Then this is what you need to do. I will go into this shop and ask for the full product, the price and everything. Then I will get back to you. If you can afford it, there is no problem. But please just know anything. If you want to continue using this cream, as soon as you started using it, you have to continue using it. There's nothing like stop and try another product. You have to be consistent, guys. Continuously matters a lot. So she was like, okay, no problem. So I went then and I bought everything close to, if I'm not mistaken, 80 to 80 something euro for the full set, guys. So I bought the full set and I missed it for her. She said when she's using it since 2 months now, and she was like, I did not last 2 weeks. Last week she was like, please, I want to get the same cream again. I want to get the same cream again. I love that cream you prescribed for me. Please, I want to get it again. And I went to this shop because of the lockdown of 18, this pandemic. So now I think it's open and I'm going there to get the same cream for her. And I decided to say, okay, let me make a review and tell you guys, for those of you who actually want to lighten up your skin, you want to glow, you want to lighten up your skin easily, you can easily go for this product. Forget about the price. If you have the money, go for it, guys. I'm telling you. So let me tell you the name of the cream. So definitely I will be showing you guys where I'm getting it from today. So probably if I'm missing it, I will still go make a video about it, how to miss it. So this cream is a full set cream. It's a full set cream. For those of you who want to have it, it's good. It will help your skin to look more fair, and it will help your skin it will give you a nice texture, guys. So this cream, this is the cream right here. So I'm going to bring out I just gonna bring out the pictures for you guys to see it one after the other. So this product is actually good. A lot of people don't use MAKARI because I've heard about some of my friends saying that MAKARI do give them stretch mark, do them this. But this particular one, my girlfriend, she has been using it in Nigeria, and I even prescribed for someone through my girlfriend, and this person still need another one now. So this make me to look. I'm very happy. Like seriously, I'm very happy now. I know that even if I'm not the one that uses, someone that know me through this channel use this product, and she's demanding for another set. So this product, guys, is a set, and this is the Carotonic Extreme Body Lotion, and this is the soap, which is Carotonic Extreme Tonic Soap, and they have it in Carotonic Extreme Tonic Spot Treatment Serum. and they have it in carotonic extreme tonic face cream. And if you, this one is optional, guys. If you decide, because when I bought the full set, I added this to a cream. I said, please, if you want to glow, guys, make sure you use this in the evening after taking your bath, everything. After taking your bath, just use this naturally carotonic extreme body glycerin. Use it just like that. Don't apply any cream. Use this, only this, guys. And she said okay, and she used it the way I prescribed it for her, guys. You need to see her skin. So the reason why I will advise you guys to go for this cream, because this cream is very, very good. It contains carrot oil, and not only that, guys, it is acne, blemishes and scars, fade dark spots and blemishes, improve appearance of skin texture, even tone skin tone, and delivers a healthy looking glow, protect against sun damages and environmental aggressors. So it is very, very nice. So without me wasting much of your time, without me wasting much of the time, please, if you want to go for this cream, go for it. It's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. If I want to whiten up my skin, believe me, my skin is very, very sensitive. If I should use this, just the way she praised this cream for me, and I was one that prescribed it, that recommend this cream for. Now she's telling me go and use it, it's good. I was like, no, I don't want to use it. You continue using it. Why? I will tell my family in here that want to lighten up their skin. I think they are looking for a product to use. Go for this MAKARI, guys. I know I'm not a MAKARI something. My favorite brand is Fair and White product and Nivea, but this MAKARI is just so good. You can actually use it. It has, I think you can, I think there is one for dark skin and there is also for fair skin. But as for me, I don't really know about the dark skin, and I'm just talking about this particular lady that I bought this cream for, and she's really happy about her skin. So without me wasting more time, let's go there. Let me show you guys how much it costs and everything about this product. Okay, so let me show you guys where you can get this. For those of you who live in Essen, you live in Germany, you live in other close to Essen, Düsseldorf, Dortmund, Mulheim, Henne, Weinike, you can come to Essen to get it for yourself. It's really nice. This product, this shop there, they sells good products, original products. For those of you, I'm talking about for those of you who can't get it through online, you can just come and get it there. But if you can acquire it through their website, that one will be more better, guys. So now let's go. Let me show you guys this product. It's really nice. Let me show you where to get it and where I normally get my stuff from. It's good. Let's see. I pray it's open. Completed here. Okay. So here wie viel kostet für alle?
Alles zusammen?
Ja, zusammen. Aber die ist original, ja?
100%.
Ja, ich glaube
Und
so.
das Zertifikat gucken ist ganz eigen. Zertifikat hängt hier.
Ja, ich weiß.
80,77 €.
Wie viel kostet?
80,77 €.
So, everything is 80,70 €.
80,77 €. I give you a receipt. This is for you.
My friend?
Friend for only body, yeah?
Okay. So that is gift. So guys, I just got home now, and this is what I bought for her. And this is the cream, like I said before. So this is the cream, and here is the body bowl. It's really good. And this one is the carotonic extreme hydrate moisturizer lightening cream, enriched with vitamin and carrot oil. So this one is for face. And this one is the serum carotene extreme lightening enriched with carrot oil. So this one is the serum. Everything is new, and I will just pack it the way I bought it and send it to her on Monday. So this is it. I'm going to drop everything here, and this is the. So guys, in case you want to have this, if you want to use this cream, use this alone in the evening. So that is how I recommend this cream for her, and she's happy, and I'm getting it for her again. Use this in the evening, and while the rest, I'm still going to be showing you guys how to mix it. So that will be tomorrow video. So guys, thank you for your time, and I so much appreciate you all. And if you love this video, please don't forget to keep supporting me. And if you want to get any product and you don't know how to get it, just let me know and I'll probably get it for you. These people are good. Their product is. So guys, thank you for your time. So this is it. I so much appreciate you all. See you guys in my next video, and please be safe and always be prayerful. And I hope to see you guys in my next amazing video. Bye bye.